Hey, my YouTubers, we're taking out the baffle on the M4, which we already just did. See, this was down in there. This is down in there, and as you can see, this is being blocked, so it has to go around, you know, just to come out. But it was a bitch trying to take it out. This was around outside, because this was down in there, and this was around the outside. This is hard. I bought this little tool. Didn't really help out, so kind of scratched up all the inside. It's hard to see film, but yeah. So now bought this, and that's why we got it all taped off, so I don't get no extra spray. But first we're gonna sand it a little bit, then we're gonna spray it, and then we're gonna crank it up, see how it sounds. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, back about to start it up for the first time without the baffle.
You showed him the back bar?
Yeah. Alright, crank it up. Damn, that thing's loud as hell.